Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's MJK Clips again with another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about swap, that is SWAP in trading. Have you noticed that when you leave your trades on and you go and sleep, you see minus on the price that you opened and the money is deducted? That is swap. And what is swap? Swap is the interest that you pay when you leave your trades open for throughout the night. That is, you leave them on and you go and sleep. So that is the swap. They reduce your money because that is the interest the broker wants from you for leaving the trade open throughout the night. So if this video was helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is MJK Clips aka Forex. So in this video I'm going to talk about swap, that is swap in Forex, SWAP. So what is swap? Swap is the interest a trader pays for leaving the trades open throughout the night. Yes, you have to pay money because you left your positions open and you went and slept. So that is what the broker takes from you for leaving it open. That is the interest or the profit that you gain for leaving the trades open throughout the night and you go and sleep. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share.